So the way you know your leak problem is due to your intake valve is simply by pulling it out, and you can see how the water is dripping out from the top of this intake valve. That means that it's faulty and it just needs to be replaced. Replacing one is pretty easy, and if I can do it, anyone can do it. The hardest part of this whole repair was figuring out the correct intake valve for my particular dishwasher. So I went up to my local appliance repair shop and I said, here's the old one. I need to replace it. Here's my model number for my dishwasher. And the guy just went in the back, said, okay, this is the one you need. And I had to trust him on it. If it was wrong, I was just going to return it anyhow. And there's the final product. You can see that this one is tilted sideways, where the blue is the cap, and that used to be vertical. So the cap was on top, and that's where the water was leaking. I don't know what the difference is between these two. So far it's been working. We've done a month's worth of loads and no leaks. Everything works fine. It's even quieter than the original one. I think something about this sideways cap is more effective than the original one that it came with. So thanks for watching. Again, if I can fix this, anyone can fix it.